Hello everyone. So do you always have an issue with your Mac that you only have USB Type-C here, and most of the equipment that have out there, it's only regular USB. You want to attach your monitor with the HDMI, or you have Ethernet that you want to plug to your MacBook, I got you covered. So I looked on Amazon and I find this particular brand. It's from a company called Lemorele, and I'm gonna open this box and I'm gonna show you what I got here. So this is basically, it's 5-in-1 adapter. This can support charge, it can support HDMI for your monitor. You get 2 regular USB and you get 1 USB Type-C. First thing we're gonna do is plug this USB Type-C to my computer. The next thing we're gonna do here is just plug the monitor, we'll plug the USB, and I'm gonna try to see if this basically charging my computer or not. Plug my HDMI, that's how it is. And as you can see here, my monitor is working. So this, just because I plugged the HDMI. Next we're gonna do my hard drive, and this is my hard drive. I'm gonna plug this on my USB. My hard drive is showing up right here. And I got one more thing here. So I always, when I'm sitting on my computer, I always want to charge my phone, and this only supports USB, regular USB. So that's how it works. I just put it there, and I'm gonna put that in the next USB. And it says charged. All right, next, I got 2 more things. So the first one here, this is my charger for my Mac. Let's see, I'm gonna put this here and see if that will support my charger. And it shows charging right here. One more thing, right here. So my Ethernet, I'll put this right here. Turn the Wi-Fi off and see if this works. Also, I'm gonna go to my setting, and also says USB connected. So let's take this off and show you how many things I plugged here. So I got my Ethernet cable, which is this one right here. I got my HDMI cable for my monitor. I got the USB to charge my phone. I also have my hard drive, it's plugged to this USB. I got my charger for my computer, and this is the one that goes to my computer. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take everything off. My Ethernet cable, my HDMI, my charger cable, the USB, my hard drive, my charger for my MacBook. And overall, I love this device, and it's too small. You can put it in your pocket, or you can have it in your bag and you won't even notice. This small device is amazing.